Alright, the walk for rope drop started. It is 7:51. They let us in about 9 minutes early, and I'm going to Gringotts.
So as you can see, I made it to the front of the group and I was really excited to be the first one into Diagon Alley.
Morning! Hi!
This footage is actually from much later in the day. As you can see, it's pretty busy in the queue. When I rode it in the morning, I was like the first or second one in the queue, so it was not busy at all. I just walked straight up. But I had to put my camera in the locker in the morning, so I decided to come back to the queue later and take some footage of it. But yeah, like I said, I was like the second one in, so I didn't have to wait really at all for the ride.
It's 8:21, just got off Gringotts. A really fun dark coaster with screens and some practical effects, so really good coaster. It took me, I walked right up to the pre-show area, then the pre-show's a little bit long and it takes a while to get on, but I pretty much walked right up. I'm going to go see if I can get like a little treat from the sweet shop that they have in Diagon Alley. It's a little early, but maybe something breakfasty, sweet. You rarely see this area without massive groups of people, so I'm kind of soaking in the atmosphere of a dead Diagon Alley, because it's just the best theme park land. Just if you're a Harry Potter fan. So Sugar Plums is the sweet shop here. It's not as big as Honeyduke's is in Hogsmeade, but they have a lot of the same like novelty items and some of the same stuff, but just a little bit smaller. So I ended up getting a pumpkin pasty. It sounded the most breakfasty item there, and I've wanted to try one for years, so we'll see how it goes. So here's what the inside of it looks like. I broke it apart. So it kind of looks like pumpkin puree. Tastes like pumpkin pie. If you like pumpkin pie like this. The pastry part of it is really good and flaky. Not dry at all. It's kind of like buttery. And then the inside just tastes like pumpkin pie filling. Really, really good.
And then I use this opportunity with barely anyone being in Diagon Alley to just explore the shops in the windows, because you can never really do that when it's packed with people later in the day.
Who's got the latest Quidditch scores?
Like how those are some of the books he talks about in the Harry Potter books. Year with the Yeti and Travels with Trolls. Love Wheezes, Wizard Wheezes. Decoy detonator that he uses in the last, well, not the last movie, but the last book. Second to last movie. Deathly Hallows. Oh, I've always seen this one. They have like a off-the-shoulder type, like V-neck. In the front and the back it's a V-neck, so it kind of goes off the shoulder. That's really cute. I want him really bad. Oh. Hi. Yeah. Alright, this like sling purse is so cute. Look at it's magical creatures, centaurs, unicorns, Cornish pixies. Ooh, blast-ended scroots on there. Hi, Mr. Snake. Alright, the hopping pot is where you can get beer, butterbeer. They have other specialty Wizarding World drinks as well. So. Okay, so I got the Otter's Fizzy Orange Juice. I've never tried this before. I've had a lot of the drinks over there, so I thought I would try something new. It kind of tastes like a dreamsicle a little bit. Like, it's very vanilla-y and orangey. Yeah, it tastes like a melted dreamsicle popsicle. It's really good. I like sweet drinks, so I really like this. If you don't like sweet drinks, you might not. Yeah, I think it's really good. So honestly, I have my drink here, and the Diagon Alley street is still not that crowded because it's still within the first hour. And I love just kind of watching everything happen when it's not super crowded and just enjoying like the low crowd atmosphere of Diagon Alley. My favorite places. tattoo shop. I want a moving tattoo really badly. Like, isn't that awesome? I wish they had that in real life for muggles. It's the hand from Chamber of Secrets that closes on Harry and gives me a jump scare every time, even though I've seen it 1,000 times. Bellatrix dagger, Mirror of Erised. Okay, and then when it starts to get a little crowded, like an hour after park opening, I like to leave and go do something else because Diagon Alley is way better when it's less packed and you can actually see the windows and see the streets and everything. So around like 9:15, I like to go and do something else. Hi!
What are you doing?
Hi! I have my friends here.
Your friends?
My friends, yeah.
That's your friend?
Yeah.
Hello, friends.
Hi.
Samina, what's your name?
Christy.
Christy. Hey, what's going on, friends? Christy's having a good time, you know? Yeah, you know.
Here's number 12.
So I just wanted to come in and say that I do not recommend this strategy that I showed in the video today if you are planning on riding every single ride in the park and want to do it with low weights. I had been here for a couple days already and I ride the rides all the time, so I kind of just wanted to do just a more slow day in Diagon Alley because I love Harry Potter so much. But if you are someone who wants to get all the rides done without weights, I would definitely leave Diagon Alley earlier, like right after Gringotts, and do more of the rides and then go back to Diagon Alley a little bit later. Overall, I had a really, really amazing morning. It was just super cool to be the first one inside Diagon Alley and see it completely empty, and then just spend the morning just kind of relaxing and looking around Diagon Alley and looking around the shops and the windows and seeing all what makes this place so special. And the details put into the Wizarding World to make it so special is really unmatched by any other theme park land, in my opinion. So I just had a really great time just kind of exploring, and it was a really fun day. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and see you next time. Bye!